Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen and we're gonna organize today. This video is sponsored by Temu, but as always, all opinions are my own. The easy way that gets me organized is staying on track and using some sort of calendar. So I wanted to try this acrylic magnetic dry erase board out. I've not had a dry erase board in a really long time, so my handwriting is not the best. I also probably need like a smaller or skinnier marker, but this does its job and I would 100% go with this. I think this works great and it does not take up wall space like my large chalkboard does. So make sure right now, download Temu's app to get $100 coupons for free for all users, and also make sure to use my code DEAL3545 to get an extra 30% off, and that is for new users. This next one I am thrilled about. I have wanted these for so long. These stackable drink organizer shelves. So you get 4 little shelves in a pack and then you can stack them. Obviously, my cabinets were not going to be able to stack 4 on top of each other. So I just did 2 on each side and my cabinet was a mess. And some people will be like, you don't need all these water bottles. Well, my kids will disagree with that 100%. We get rid of cups and water bottles all the time, and then somehow they come back into the house. But that's what it looked like before, and this is after, and I love these. I really want to get another set of them so then I can put like some of the coffee like tumblers and things on there. I think they are perfect. This next one, I wanted to try this little egg holder out. I already have an egg holder, but it does take up space in the refrigerator, and sometimes space in your fridge, you need more. Like, we always need more space. So this just goes on the bottom. So granted, I have like a little ridge or like lip on my refrigerator, so it does kind of pop up a little bit. It does work, but just keep that in mind that if you're going to purchase these with a refrigerator, that you are going to have those little tabs sticking straight up. So for my junk drawer really isn't that bad. I do have organizers in here, but I did want some more. So these come in a 14 pack and they come in 4 different sizes. And I think this is a great deal for these because sometimes I pick these up at Dollar Tree. I think the product is pretty similar to the Dollar Tree ones, but I think these are a little bit cheaper if you were going to buy them this way. But I wanted some of these to do my drawer, and I think I'm going to do another drawer too, but this just makes everything so much easier. I love having compartments in my junk drawer. Also, this is just a little fun one, a daily to-do list. I have to write a list out of everything that I'm going to do on a day-to-day basis. I've wanted one of these pads like this, but they're $8 on Amazon, and I was not going to spend $8. So under $5, I'm good with. This next one, I love these chalkboard labels. You get 54 pieces, so it does include stickers as well, along with these little clip-on chalkboards, which I wanted these for our snack cupboard. Our snack cupboard is pretty organized when it comes to snacks. Like, I like to be able to grab a bin out and be able to pack lunches in under 3 minutes, which I'm actually kind of a professional at that when it comes to packing lunches. But these are really nice. I would highly recommend these clips right here. And then I also did use the chalkboard stickers. And I think I have had chalkboard stickers from Temu before, and they're just as great. But this is under my sink. So on to the next one. So we're doing this quick. So this is what under the cabinet looked like before. It was an absolute mess. So I have been looking at these under the cabinet organizers forever. So I just got one because I cannot have 2 under my sink, unfortunately, because of our piping. It is just in the way and there's just no possible way. I tried just to see if I could pick up another one and there is no way possible. But this stores a lot. Like, I was able to get rid of almost 2 baskets in my cabinet. I love this. I love that it's stackable and then it does pull out at the bottom, so you're able to just grab anything. But I just kind of put extras on this one and then stuff I use on a day-to-day basis on the other side. But look how clean and amazing this looks. I was shocked when I opened this and I'm like, where did all of my stuff go? Although I did get rid of some stuff that was bad, not nearly as much as you would have thought that I did. The next thing is paper towel holder. So we've never really had a paper towel holder except one that was sitting on the counter, which honestly, like I don't want the paper towel on the counter. I always have to pick it up every time I clean. So I thought this under the counter paper towel holder would be great. And it does have some pretty secure, like high-tech stickiness. So I just like held it on for a few seconds, like pushed it up really high. And this does bend. I thought mine was broke, but I just kind of bent it in place. And this works perfect. I love this one. Okay, so the next thing is going to be traveling, organizing, or just like even like a day trip or something like that. Like overnight stays, going to grandma's house. I mean, all of it. We're going on vacation in a month and I wanted some new items. Every time I feel like I'm so unorganized when I travel. I always bring everything, but nothing is ever together. It's always like last minute, like, oh, I forgot the Band-Aids, or oh, I forgot the ibuprofen, or oh, I forgot this, or oh, I forgot that. Like there's always something. So I thought if everything had a place, it would just make things a lot easier. So the first thing I wanted to check out were their duffel bags. So I am a duffel bag traveler. We haven't like been on a plane yet, so that might change, or I have been on a plane, my kids have never been on a plane. When I travel, I like to travel as light as I possibly can. So I will roll my clothes. I will fold them any way I can to get everything in a duffel bag. So this one I ordered, and this one is actually bigger than the one I usually travel with, but I think this will fit, and honestly, this will fit all of my clothes. And I say clothes like summer clothes. So I will have 5 pairs of shorts, 6 pairs of shorts in here, 5 or 6 shirts, socks, underwear, everything, right? And then I think this is really pretty. It's actually made pretty well. I'm actually impressed. It has a front pocket as well with a zipper, but I seriously think this will fit everything. This, like I said, this is bigger than the one I normally travel with. And the last time I traveled, I had like sweatshirts. So I'm impressed. I'm actually really impressed. Let's see if I can show it a little bit better. Like, it's actually a pretty good size if you ask me. So I love that. I love the black. And then it does come with a strap too. I took it out. Okay. I do have things. I just want to show them different orders, I guess. I also just grabbed this little first aid package. I need to like figure out what I can put in here. So it opens all the way. So that's cool. So you can throw like some Band-Aids in there. You can throw some like calamine, like cream, like ibuprofen. You could always just put like that in little baggies or something if you didn't want to bring the whole bottle, which is actually kind of a smart idea. Because we don't bring like a ton of different medicine, like maybe some allergy meds and maybe some ibuprofen. You can't mix those up. Or just label them. But this is cute. This is like a cute little thing, and you can even put this in your purse. So if you like need like gauze or Band-Aids or something like that, then you have it in this little pack. You just hurry and grab it. There you go. You don't have to like dig for anything in your purse or your bag. So I thought that was really cute, and I thought that was neat, and I've never even thought about like first aid. Usually that just like gets tossed in a bag itself. So the next thing is this. So everybody else does bring a suitcase with them, except me. So this is to like traveling bags. So I thought this was cool, and we're gonna open these to see. I like them. Okay. So, okay, that is cool. So it all comes in like a little bag on its own. And then you have all different kinds of bags. So I thought this was cool. So even if you didn't want to do like a first aid kit, you could like makeup right here. You could do medicine. This one looks like it's bigger, which would be really great for like shampoos, deodorants, like all the stuff that you don't want to spill. I just liked that. I just like all sorts of bags like this. This is for shoes. Okay, so, oh no, wait, it tells you, okay, we're gonna back this up real quick. It tells you what to put. Okay, so this one is for shoes. This one is for toiletries. This one is to travel to live is the name of it, but I think this is like something you'd bring on the airplane. Like, I don't know, what would you bring on an airplane? Snacks and crossword puzzles. And then to travel to live. So this is where you'd put your undies in and your garments, undergarments. I think I would still use this one though for shampoo and stuff. But I mean, that's up to you. And then this one, it says it goes along your suitcase. So this just must be like, you need it, but like you don't want to hold on to it. So you're gonna go ahead and like stick it on your suitcase type thing. And then this one can be for whatever you want it to be. I think I'd stick shoes in this. I don't know why I would put the shoes with the holdy part. I don't know. There's just so many ideas. You can do whatever you choose to do, but I do like this because I do like the idea of having shoes in something. Usually I just put them in like Walmart grocery bags and like wrap them up so nothing gets dirty. And then, but I mean, at least this is reusable. And then you're able to just wash it when you get home. And you can just put everything in here and you're good to go when you are finished traveling. So then when you travel next time, everything's together. I actually really like this. I think this is cool. Probably won't use exactly what I'm supposed to use these things for, but it is cool that they do give you that option. Another little organizing thing. I think I'm going to show you guys exactly what this is. When I do these videos, I don't like stop doing them. So I'm like, I don't know what this is for. I will obviously know what it's for later, because I know some of my videos I'm like, I don't remember what this was for, and then like I'll have an abundance of comments going, it's for this, it's for this, it's for this. Like I will eventually know what this is for. But it is like just a little zip like wallet. And it has like a bunch of different compartments. I mean, this will always come in handy. So if you want to just bring something like this with you, put it around your wrist, like throw money in it. You can even like throw snacks in here. We always have snacks, like at least fruit snacks when we go anywhere. So at least fruit roll-ups, anything right here could go in there. Money could go in here. You could throw like even your credit cards. I honestly think credit cards would fit in these. So you don't want to stick your credit card or your debit card in there. I don't know, this is just like a cute little organizing type thing. Or you could put medicine in here. There's a bunch of different compartments for medicine, Band-Aids. I mean, the possibilities are honestly endless. You could use this as whatever you want it. It can go from like a wallet all the way to like a toiletry first aid kit bag. So very cool. I like that. I really like the color too. I like this blue, kind of matches my wall in the background. I'm sorry if I'm like boring you with like the organizing for traveling, but this is stuff that I was actually looking on Amazon for, and I really wanted good traveling stuff. But like my Amazon cart was like $300. And honestly, traveling is expensive as is. I don't need like to spend $300 on like little bottles to put my shampoo in. And like little, this is actually cool. I like this little pump, and I also like that it has like the little tab on it right there so nothing comes out. I think that's awesome. That is so cool. And then there's like stuff to put your like cream in or your lotions. And then for your like shampoo, conditioner. We have some of these already at home. I got these for my daughter when she went to camp, and I thought these were like super, super cool. And I wanted my own. I don't think the quality of these ones are as good as hers. I feel like hers are more like silicone, and I think these are like more plasticky. So I don't know if I love these, but I guess I will let you guys know when I get back from my vacation. But I think honestly, like, I'm just gonna wash my hair like once, because I don't wash my hair every day, maybe twice. So I think it will do its job, and I didn't have to pay like $20 for this set. Okay, so this is not super travel. This is like some different type of organizing. So I found these. They have they're like little mesh bags. And I think these would be really great for games. So like card games. I did an organizing video a while ago with like bags like this. Kind of like this. And we use it in our game closet. And I love our game closet. I absolutely love it to like, I kind of like was sad throwing away boxes to games, but honestly, I don't feel sad at all anymore. Like, I think these are great for like puzzles, and I mean, this is great for organizing too. So like, I mean, you can organize anything with this. I think these would be great even in a craft room. You could hang these on the back of your door, add rub-on transfers or stickers, and then you could see exactly what is inside of them. And I like that the little there's a little hanger on here. I think these are cool. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is a 5-pack. And these are green, and I think these are really pretty. So those are cute. I think I'm gonna use these in my craft room. I always like try to find different ways to organize my craft room, so I'm thinking the sticker thing will be actually very, very smart for me because I have them in a really cool like filing folder, which is amazing, do not get me wrong, but like to dig for things and like my rub-on transfers and stickers, everything is just mixed together, so cool. Also, I wanted to see what this was all about, and just remember to look at the sizes of things. But you know what? I think this is more deep. So I ordered a foldable laundry basket. And I know they have larger ones, and I know they have larger ones on the site. I feel like I've seen hauls where people do. But I got this laundry basket that folds, and I thought this was so cool to do laundry with, and then you can just kind of like shove it on the side of your like washer or dryer, or even in the closet, so like you don't have all these like bulky laundry baskets sticking out. This one, on the other hand, is a little small. I probably would use this for baby clothes. And honestly, I think I'm gonna use this as my upstairs basket. So I'm gonna like keep it down here and like shove it behind the couch or whatever. Who has an upstairs basket? I honestly need one because everybody always leaves things laying all over the floor, and then we set things on the stairs to take upstairs. But I think if everything is piled up here, because I mean, for the most part, I take everything upstairs. I can just put everything in here, carry it, and then put it next to everybody's doors in their rooms, or put it in the laundry basket, because sometimes we have dirty towels and stuff down here. So I think this is neat. I wish it was bigger. Like, I wish it actually would fit towels. I think it would fit like 3 bath towels, 3 or maybe 4 bath towels in here. So this probably won't work, but I will definitely find a purpose for it, and I think my purpose is great. I also picked up 2 of these. So I am like thrilled about this, to be honest. I cannot wait to use these. So my kids need something desperately for the car. And I mean desperately, because like I said, we're traveling, we are driving, so this will be perfect for their tablets or like their Nintendo Switch. And then there's like pockets for a drink, like drinks right here. I mean, honestly, I think this is the best. I showed the girls these and they were thrilled about them. The very last thing I already put together, I'm gonna show you guys me putting it together, but it took under 3-4 minutes to put this together. It was quick, it was easy, and this, honestly, I do not like. I am so upset I don't like it. I just don't think it is made very good at all. I think that it would do its purpose. Do not get me wrong. I think everything always has a purpose, whether it is high quality, low quality, plastic, metal, any of that. So I think everything has a purpose, and you'd be able to find something. I might actually stick this in my garage and put like bubbles and chalk on, because I wanted to use it as like a craft room, like something for my craft room for my paintbrushes and all that, but I just don't know how much it's honestly gonna hold. So I don't want to take the chances of like all my paints and stuff spilling. And some of the like plastic was like bowed out just a little bit. But like I said, I think everything has a purpose, and I will definitely find something to use with this. Like I said, I think I'm gonna put outdoor toys on here. You can fit like a basketball at the bottom. And I will show like a better picture of this in a second. But I think like bubbles will work up here, chalk will work right here. We have like a huge shelf out there, and like my kids are just kind of starting to grow out of like all of the outdoor stuff. So I think this will work good for it. That is just another organizing day for me. You guys, that is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I love organizing. I hope you guys do too. I hope you guys found some great ideas for your home. I know that I love everything that goes into the kitchen. I think it is amazing. Chef's kiss. Chef's kiss? I don't know how to do that. Also, don't forget to check out Temu. My link will be in the description box below. You get 30% off and up to $100 in coupons. So amazing. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.